Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today we are going to learn les articles indéfinis. We are going to learn the indefinite articles today. So what are indefinite articles? In English, you know that indefinite articles are a and an. And it is very easy to identify where to put a and where to put an. When a word begins with a consonant, we use a, and when a word begins with a vowel, it is an that is used. But in French, this is not the case. We cannot identify whether to use a or an in French. We have three indefinite articles first of all. We have un, which is used for masculine noun, une, which is used for feminine noun, and they, which is used for plural noun. So to identify which one to use in front of the noun, we have to look at the gender of the noun. If the noun is masculine, we use un. If it is feminine, we use une. And if it is plural, we use they. Now, how to identify whether the noun is masculine or feminine? It is strongly recommended that when you learn the vocabulary in French, you learn the gender of the word with it. Because there are several tricks which are offered, but they are not accurate. For example, we say that most of the words ending with E are feminine. Most of the words ending in S and X are plural, and the rest are masculine. But in that case, you will have to learn a long list of irregular words. For example, livre, which means book, ends with E, but it is masculine, un livre. So to understand better what is indefinite article, how to use them, let's look at the table here. So look at this table here. Les articles indéfinis, as I told you, un is used for masculin singulier, une for féminin singulier, and they for pluriel masculin et féminin. So what does it mean? If a noun is masculine and it is singular, it will take un. But if the same noun is plural, then we will use they. If a noun is feminine and it is singular, we'll use une. And if it is the same noun is plural, then we will use they. Look at these examples here. Un crayon, crayon, which means pencil, is a masculine word. So we use un in front of it. But if crayon was crayon with an S, that is, it is plural, then we will say des crayons. Un livre, livre is a book, which is masculine again. So we put un. But if livre was plural, that is not book, but books, then it will be des livres. Cahier is a notebook. Un cahier, which is again a masculine word. If it is plural, we'll put des cahiers because it is plural, has an S at the end. Fille, which means girl, so it is a feminine noun. We put une fille. If the girl is plural, that means there are so many girls, we'll put des filles. Tomate, we have already done this word. Tomate is tomato, which is also feminine, so it is une tomate. In plural, it will become des tomates. So a tomato and some tomatoes. Une femme, femme, which means woman, is feminine, so we are going to put une as the indefinite article. If we are talking about plural form of woman, women, then it will become des femmes, that is the plural form. So what is the use of indefinite article? Just like in English, o and an, they are used for non-specified, unspecified, unknown things. In French also, we use les articles indéfinis pour des choses non spécifiées, non connues ou inconnues, ça va bien, non déterminées, non-determined. For example, when I say here, je veux un stylo, I want a pen. I am not talking about which pen I want, which color I want. I'm not specifying any details here, and I'm simply saying je veux un stylo. Donc, le stylo is not known, it is not determined, it is not specific. In the second sentence, you see, je vois un garçon, I see a boy. Now, which boy I'm talking about, whether he is known to me or not, it is not specified here at all. So we have used un garçon. I hope you understand les articles indéfinis, and please practice it with all the nouns that you know already in French. You have done alphabet that have given you 26 letters, 26 words. So with those words, you can put the indefinite articles and practice them. Thank you for today.